Chapter 17. Weather and Seasons. Weather means the condition of air around us. If the air is hot, weather is warm. If the air is cool, weather is cold. The weather does not remain the same every day. It changes from day to day. At some places, the weather changes even in a single day. For example, it may be hot in the morning, cloudy at noon, whereas wet in the evening. The main factors that bring changes in the weather are the sun, wind, cloud, and rain. Let us see how these factors affect the weather. The sun. The sun gives us heat and light. When the sun shines brightly, it makes the air warm. So, days are always warmer than nights. The sun shines for a longer period in the summer than in the winter. So, weather is warmer in the summer than in the winter. Fact 5. The sun rays fall straight at noon. During morning and evening, the rays of the sun are slanting. This is because the sun is in low sky. That is why the noon is the hottest part of the day. It is not so hot during mornings and evenings. Wind. During the summers, a hot wind called Lu makes the weather very warm in the northern part of the country. During winters, cold winds make the weather very cold. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. The breeze makes the weather pleasant. Strong winds cause storms. Thunder, lightning, wind and rain make up a storm. Storms can uproot trees and blow off the roofs of houses. Clouds. The weather of a place also depends on clouds, as a sky full of clouds indicates a pleasant weather during summer season. This is because the rays of the sun cannot reach us directly. The cloudy nights are warmer than clear nights. This is because the clouds do not allow the heat of the earth to go out in the space. Sometimes, clouds also bring rain and make the weather cool. Rain. Rain also affects the weather of a place. It lowers the temperature and makes the weather pleasant. During summer, it gives us relief from heat. In winters, rain can bring snow or hailstorm. At times, it happens that it does not rain for a very long period of time. This causes a drought. On the other hand, rainfall for many days can cause flood. When drought lasts for a long period, animals and human beings die due to lack of water and food. Floods also cause a lot of destruction to the life and property. Weather affects our way of living. Weather causes changes in our food habits, clothing habits, and other activities. For example, on a hot day, we wear loose cotton clothes. On a cold day, we wear woolen clothes, and on a rainy day, we use raincoats and umbrellas. Similarly, we are more active in winters than in summers. Seasons. When the weather remains the same for a long period, it is called a season. There are three main seasons in India: summer, monsoon, and winter. However, All parts of our country do not enjoy all the three seasons. Summer. The summer begins in the month of April and lasts up to the month of June. During summer, the days are sunny and warm. Days are long and nights are short. Monsoon. The monsoon is also called the rainy season. It begins in the month of June and lasts up to the month of September. During this season, the days are cloudy and weather is humid. Winter. The winter begins in October and lasts up to mid-March. During this season, days are short and nights are long. The weather is cold, especially in December and January. Besides these seasons, there is another season of short duration. It is called spring. It is the most pleasant season. Trees start bearing new leaves and colorful flowers bloom. People plan picnic and children love to play and go for a walk. Spring is so pleasant that it is sometimes called the queen of the season. In a nutshell, the condition of the air around us is called the weather. The weather changes from day to day and hour to hour. The sun, wind, clouds and rain cause changes in the weather. The weather affects our way of living. Summer, monsoon and winter are the main seasons in our country. Spring is called the queen of the seasons.